Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. On tonight's menu, Casual Chef Meatloaf, our gratin potatoes, and Casual Chef peas. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The afternoon mise en place. All the goodies for the meatloaf. Everything in the bowl and mix it by the hands. Here it is, ready to go in the oven. The meatloaf and the potatoes are in the oven. All the goodies for the peas. The peas in the pot. And the meatloaf out of the hot box. And the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Have fun cooking.